another property video presentation by Kingscliff Sales and Rentals. Here we're using our office drone taken to the skies to show the great position of this property located at Unit 5, Number 5, Elizabeth Street, Fingal. Just a short walk from this property and you're on the Lighthouse track and across to Fingal Beach itself. That's Cook Island there, you can see in the background. And as we go down to ground level, this is what the unit block presents from the street. Stepping inside the property, you can see the property has been renovated. Floating floors, there's balcony off the lounge room, looking back towards the kitchen, dining area off the kitchen. The kitchen has plenty of cupboards, ceramic cooktop as well. Going up the hallway and off to your left is the main bedroom. It's a good sized room with built-ins. Second bedroom sees windows on two sides. Main bathroom has been updated. Closed hanging rails, separate toilet. And downstairs there's a single garage with internal access to the building. This is the back view of the property from the back laneway. And here's another aerial view showing the location of the property. And our last aerial shot here is of Fingal Beach, and that's Tweed Heads in the far distance. Should you be interested in viewing this property, then please call the staff at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals 0266 745 888. Email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au for viewing times, or visit our website for more photos and information of the property for lease at salesandrentals.com.au.
Are you thinking of moving to Kingscliff? Then a great resource for information about our town is the Kingscliff app. The Kingscliff app is a directory of Kingscliff and has been produced by the team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals as a local business and community initiative. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll be able to check out all that's offering Kingscliff, including dining, shopping, schools, removalists, services and events. Download the Kingscliff app free today in iTunes or Google Play, or by scanning the QR codes on your screen will lead you directly to the Kingscliff app.